Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TP-Link Kasa for remote access setup step by step clearly. Open the TP-Link Kasa app on your smartphone. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on Sign Up. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements indicated. Press Sign Up to create your account. You will receive a verification email from TP-Link. Check your inbox for this email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Kasa app after verification. Log in using your newly created email and password. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Choose the type of device you want to set up from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable Wi-Fi and connect the device. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want to connect the device to. After selecting your Wi-Fi network, enter the password when prompted. Tap Next to allow the app to discover your device. Wait for the app to find your device and complete the setup. Once connected, you can rename your device for easier identification. Explore the settings to adjust preferences as needed. Finally, enable remote access in the app settings if it's not already activated. Your device is now registered with TP-Link Kasa for remote access. Enjoy controlling your smart device from anywhere, anytime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.